I know this don't look like progress, but it is. Went down to Northport Auto today and got some couple of tubes of that. I didn't have a whole lot, but I've tried to smooth it all out as best I can so I can get big on it. I haven't even used a half a tube. That's going well. I'm going to re-prime that and re-prime that, just because I had some bad stuff in that Bondo I put on there. Just right here, it gums the paper up instantaneously. Anyway, I've wiped this down. I've got a couple of lows here. I'll get that. This looks good. That's ready to spray. I think I may rub some body filler right there just to kind of fill that up. That'll pretty much be behind the bed, but still got a little bit more to go up there on the other side as well. But this is good. A couple of lows. I'll get those with the body filler, no problem. I'll block that back down. Don't really want to go much further, but that's straight except for the lows. This will get straight too, and I'll re-prime those two. May do the other fender, but I haven't blocked it yet. So there you go. That's what I'm doing so far. Now this is proof that we are a Ford family. Sir. Football side. That's good.
I lost everything but my sense of humor. There were several others in there. Oh, another one, Ford Loser, I believe it was.
All right, Papa's car got painted. The hood. We're gonna try to blend that in as best we can with some buffing. It's got some bugs in it, but it'll smooth up and shine up. It's good. I didn't get a before picture, but it's similar to this. Anyway, I know it matches perfect, don't it?
Well, you see what the top looks like?
Yeah, it could have been that.
But it was, I mean,
Got some block sanding, got the top block. That's good. I got one low place. Hey buddy. One low place. Now I'm working on this column here.